Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Charleston. And today I'm going to do my hair. It looks like this. Water wave. I got a 22. I got a 20. And I got an 18. And I got a, so I didn't know, goodbye, see you later. I didn't know if I should buy a frontal offline for where I got the hair from. So I decided just to run to the beauty supply store just a few minutes ago and I picked up a clothes. The wefts because I didn't want them to be cut. I'm going to be using this hair again. Very quality hair. The only problem that I did have with the hair was the shedding. It shedded so freaking much, and that's something that I did not like, but I dealt with. So it is causing it, so I'm gonna have to take out this hair a little earlier than I wanted to, because I did do a full sew-in, so I wanted to keep it in for at least 4 weeks, but that didn't last as long as I planned it would, and that's perfectly fine because I love to change my hair and I miss my real hair. So yeah, So in the next part of this video, I'm just putting wild growth all over my hair. My hair loves wild growth. I change it up sometimes with the oils and I stop using it, but it really allows my hair to really grow. It is strengthening my hair, I believe so. I am going to try some other products because I know that they have this hair serum that I could use to really make my hair grow even faster with gummies and also taking certain vitamins. So I'm just going to try some different things. Right here, I'm just really sewing my hair. I'm going from ear to ear, going back and forth. I never cut the wefts until I get to the top, but I'm just pretty much lining it up so it's not uneven or anything. And I'm just going ahead and sewing. So right here, your girl had to show y'all that I can put my shit in a ponytail because the way I sewed it was so that I could put it in a ponytail because I was going to California. So this allowed my hair to be up when I wanted to and not look like it was weave. So that's what I did, and I'm very proud of myself, so I had to show that. So this scene right here, I pretty much finished sewing my hair and I just went back and forth and then I looped it around, and now I'm to the point that I am about to go ahead and put my closure on my head. I got this closure from the beauty supply store. I didn't get it online because they didn't have any choices, so I will leave the direct link inside of the description of what the hair that I purchased. Very quality hair, very nice. I would say that the closure that I'm using, that I did get from the beauty supply store, very nice too. It didn't shed as much as the hair, so that was a very great thing. So right here I'm just pretty much putting in the hair. I'm sewing it on, using the line that I had inside of the U part to go ahead and sew against that. It was very easy. It wasn't hard at all. There was this lining that I used that is the lining of the closure, and I just pretty much sewed that onto the lining of where my U part started. So I did that, and yeah, afterwards I started styling it, and then I wetted a little bit, and then that was pretty much it. So I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm going to let you guys finish the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Peace, blessings. So right here we just cut the lace of my closure, and right now I'm just putting some mousse on my hair. It's really great. Like, I love this mousse. So I'm putting the mousse right where I parted it at, where I had the braids, just putting it directly on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and start on my edges. Yes, I am using a toothbrush for my edges, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people do that as well, so I ain't tripping on about it. I've been using this toothbrush for about a couple years now, and it really works extremely good. So I'm just swooping them, styling it. Excuse the Crest bottles and the mouthwash. I just literally have been rushing to do this video, so yeah, still enjoy it and watch the process. At the end of it, I just pretty much show you guys that I'm done with my hair. This is how it looks, the final reveal. Yay, gorgeous queen. So yes, it was very full, very voluptuous. I freaking love this hair so very much. It was very curly, very just, body was completely there, length was there. Really hated the fucking shedding. The shedding was not good at all, but hey, I would order this hair again. Like, I love this so much, I would actually order it again or find a better quality hair. But you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube, and I really appreciate you, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.